Tara, let's go po tayo sa Guimaras sa kanilang Manggahan Festival. Ito po ang Iloilo Ferry Terminal o mas kilala sa tawag na Parola. At mag-declare po tayo ng ating identity bago po tayo pumasok sa aircon ferry boat. Meron palang karaoke sa loob. Kayo, kailan ba ang huling punta ninyo sa Guimaras? Mukhang excited ng lahat. And here we are now in Hordan, Guimaras. Ang yan mo. Yung Koreana. Welcome to Hordan. Sasakay po tayo ng jeep. 20 pesos lamang po ang pamasahe magmula Hordan Wharf hanggang sa venue ng Mango Eat All You Can dito po sa Manggahan Festival 2024. Arinata sa Manggahan Festival. Challenge po natin ang Mango Eat All You Can for 30 minutes. At ito po siya ang nagbit ng record. Marami po sumali kaya biruin mo sa halagang 100 pesos for 30 minutes. Under renovation po ang kanilang Guimaras Capitol Building. At meron po silang special na panauhin ngayong araw. Kaya nakaredy na po yung isang lamesa na puno ng mga mangga. At sino siya? Malalaman po natin mamaya-maya po. Challenge pa rin. Grabe ang pila sa Mango Eat All You Can dito po sa Hordan, Guimaras. At eto na po siya, yung nanalo, yung nag-break ng record.
What's your name? What's your name? Can we have your number, Dave? Come on here, please. Come on. Dave, come here. Come over here. Can you have your picture here in front? Okay, Cliff came here with a purpose to break our record today. So, Mr. Charlene, can you please come over here for the picture taken?
Biruin mo, 23 na mangga po yung kanyang naubos in 30 minutes sa Mango Eat All You Can Challenge dito po sa Guimaras, sa Hordan, Guimaras. Siya po ngayon yung record holder dito po in time for the Manggahan Festival 2024 na matatapos hanggang May 22 sa Wednesday po yan, sa Miyerkules. Congratulations!
Yep. You can stay still.
Okay, for those who wants to stay, we can take our seats.
Yeah, for those who want to stay, Mr. Ryan Payabyab.
Next, you will have a chance to meet and greet Mr. Ryan Payabyab in person. Playing from Iloilo City for breaking our record today from 22 mangoes. Now we're on 23 mangoes.
Yeah.
Congratulations.
At makitrivia po tayo dito sa masasarap na mga mangga po dito sa Guimaras. Ang lahat po ng puno ng mga mangga po ay binibinang at saka po yung lahat ng mga prutas na pinitas sa puno ng mangga. Kaya naging world-class mango po ito. No doubt about it. And here are the mechanics on how to participate in their Mango Eat All You Can Challenge. The last time I was here, I finished 12 mangoes.
Ryan Payabyab here, provided that we will take off your tickets after you're done eating. Okay, would that be okay? We will let you in so that the here we'll have the feel of how this mango eat all you can is. Okay, so you get inside. You will also have the same number of minutes, that is 30 minutes. So please get inside. Yeah, slowly. And also please have your plate of mangoes. Yeah, all together. And at exactly 12:10. Yes. Come on. For those provided, retailers will come to you to give you more mangoes. Yeah. That's the only thing you need to do. If you need more, yeah, all you need to do is to raise your hand. I think it's fair now, Vic, that we should have this welcome our guest today.
Good luck today.
Yeah. I will start from here. Yeah, and here one happy family here from this table. From here.
It's such a joy to be here from Ahoy.
Now there are lots of mango. Yep. Thanks
So everybody will get to have their mangoes as well.
Yeah. And, our mangoes are beautiful as mangoes. Very much. Again, please.
Everybody, please take off your
Napaka-thirst quencher talaga ang kanilang mango shake at masarap talaga. Pasalubong naman yan pag may time. Dito po naganap ang Kapuso Show noong isang gabi.
Artist Shaira Diaz at Asia's romantic balladeer Christian Bautista sa kanilang pagpapasaya sa Kapuso Fiesta sa Manggangan Festival sa Guimaras. Sing tamis na Manggangan Guimaras ang ngiti ni Max habang kumakanta. Ngumili naman si Shaira na hataw sa singalong kasamang audience. Iniligdig ng Voice of Guimaras ng kantahan ni Andrea. Tatlong beses naman ng harana si Christian Bautista.
Grabe, sobrang iba yung energy ng mga taga-Guimaras.
Sintamis ng pagmamahal niyo ang mangga niyo.
Nag-enjoy kami, bite. Nag-enjoy kami sobra. Na-enjoy din namin yung dagat, dun sa mangga. Happy Manggangan Festival, mga kapuso!
At meron ding surprise activity po rito sa Hordan Guimaras, ang motocross. Bilad na po sa araw ang lahat. This way going to Buena Vista, meron din silang smallest plaza. I love you Guimaras. Tatawid na po tayo at babalik na po tayo sa Iloilo City. Look at the skyline of the City of Love, Iloilo City. Meron po tayong pasalubong na mango pizza mula sa pit stop. At hanggang sa muli po, maraming salamat.